Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAP mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the SAP mobile app, first ensure you have the app installed on your mobile device. You can download the SAP mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, locate the SAP mobile app icon on your device and tap to open it. After the app launches, you will be greeted with the login screen. Here, enter your company's system URL. This URL is typically provided by your IT department. After entering the URL, tap on the Connect button. Next, you will see a login prompt asking for your username. Enter your username associated with your SAP account. Then, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring that caps lock is not accidentally enabled. Once both username and password are entered, tap on the Login button. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you might be prompted to authenticate via a method like SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete any additional authentication steps. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the SAP mobile app's home screen. If you encounter any errors, double-check your username and password for accuracy. In case you've forgotten your password, look for a Forgot Password link on the login screen. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you can explore the features of the SAP mobile app for your business needs. Always remember to log out of the app after your session for security purposes. To log out, tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, depending on your app version. Select the logout option to securely exit the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.